So, hi guys! Ngayong July 16, 2020 ay magkakaroon ako ng market drop, global market drop bago mag-open ulit yung market mamaya. So, unahin natin yung Dow Jones. Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq is actually up ngayong araw. So, let's check on the Dow Jones first. So, actually yung Dow Jones, di ko masyadong trade. You can check actually my trading transactions today. Actually, it's more on sa Nasdaq, gold, silver. Yeah, I think that yun lang yung transaction ko ngayong araw. Pero kung makikita nyo, anak ko lang pala ako dito kung sakali. Yeah, kasi it's 3 hours pala to. Wait, punta tayo sa daily. So, kung makikita nyo kasi is nasa ano tayo, I mean yung Dow Jones is nasa uptrend siya and near support. So, sabi ko nga kapag near support, it's a buy. And kapag malapit sa resistance, it's a sell or at resistance. So, ganun lang naman kapag nagtitrade. So, yan yung possible position ko. Ang entry point ko around this level, 26,601. And I'm expecting a possible target to hit the all-time high. But of course, syempre pwede kang mag-TP1 dito. Mag-TP1 dito. Pwedeng TP1 dyan. Or, depende kung anong klaseng trader ka. Kasi ako pag sa global, makikita nyo naman ang daily transactions ko more or less nasa around, I think na-share ko naman siya previous days. So, medyo more on scalping ako. So, ang ginagamit kong time frame is actually the 3 hours. And, wala kasing 6 hours dito sa TradingView pero sa other platform meron. So, ginagamit ko minsan yung 6 hours, 2 hours, and 30 minutes. Kung talagang sobrang tutok ako, 30 minutes. So, ganun siya. And, always put a TP and, of course, stop loss. Kasi minsan, kaya nakikita nyo minsan, kahit na stop out ako, meron siyang gain kasi nga nag-a-adjust din ako. So, pwede nyo din gawin yon. So, kaya sinasabi ko yung possible TP1 and possible TP2 or depende sa inyo. Kasi ako pag nakikita kong gain na siya, yun, ina-adjust ko yung stop loss para at least kung sakali mang mag-reverse siya na hindi ko nakikita is, of course, gains pa din ako. So, I share yung performance ko today. So, yun. I think it's very good. I mean, parang all green siya. All green yung ano ko. So, yun lang yung masasabi ko sa Nasdaq. It's already at support. I mean, near support. And yun. Possible niyang i-break, of course, yung all-time high. Pero bago yun is, of course, kailangan niya muna itong i-break around the 27,500. So, watch out for it. And of course, our support is 25,590. So, yun yung kay Dow Jones. S&P 500, ayun. I think na-discuss ko previous days. Ayun o. Ay, nasa ano siya? Nasa resistance siya. So, check natin. Bukas. Actually, exciting bukas ha. Wait, check natin yung ano. Sabi ko nga, kapag gumagamit ako ng indicator is RSI will do. So, pataas pa naman siya and nasa resistance. Tingin ko is posible pa siya dito around the 75 RSI. So, tingin ko mag-breakout siya. I mean, nag-ano na siya oh. Lumusot na siya. Pero hindi pa kasi siya ganun ka-solid na breakout So, yun. So, try ko nga ding i-trade to mamaya. So, ang support na nakikita ko, it's the 3,225 and the resistance yung all-time high din. Kasi wala siyang masyadong wala na siyang masyadong resistance, tig-isang candles lang yan. So, madali lang yang na i-break or I mean, madali lang siyang, magtuloy-tuloy pag ganyan eh. Para sa akin So, yun. Kasi dito talaga siya nag-consolidate at after nun is bumagsak. So, yun yung key resistance to break the all-time high. So, next tayo is Nasdaq. My favorite Nasdaq. So, makikita nyo yun, may trades ako today sa Nasdaq. So, I think ang ginamit ko dito is the 3 hours. Yung pag-plot nitong week. Kasi sabi ko nga is, ang paborito, when I'm trading, ang tinitignan ko mostly is the week, kung saan yung pressure, buying pressure ba or selling pressure. Katulad nito, it's actually a buying pressure. Kaya nag-long ako, so makikita nyo naman sa transactions ko. And, yun. Ano pa yung isang favorite ko is actually the doji. So, yun yung dalawang favorite ko. The week and the doji and the week. So, yun. So, for the for the Nasdaq, ang tinitignan kong support is the 10,650 and the resistance is the all-time high, which is the around 11,000. So, yun ang masasabi ko kay Nasdaq. Anyways, yung earnings starts to trickle in, so please watch out. Kasi for the second quarter, I'm not expecting much. Actually, more on a downside sa earnings season. Sa corporate earnings or, more on a downside to net loss. So, for gold, sabi ko nga, for gold is, I'm expecting a cup, long-term cup. On a long-term, time frame, I'm expecting a cup. So, kaya most of my trades, kung mapapansin nyo, it's actually a long. Meron pa minsan-minsan na short, depende sa time frame. So, gold is actually a good store of value, especially when it comes to crisis. So, check natin yung lower time frame, kung ano yung tinitignan natin na support and resistance. So, check natin itong day. Nakaano pa ba? It's still trading, guys. But anyways, nakita nyo dito is nag-breakout siya. Ito kasi lower time frame mga to eh. Kaya, tanggalin lang natin. So, ginagamit natin yung daily. So, nag-breakout siya. But then again, dito, yung week. So, check natin mamaya. May 1 hour pa bago mag-close. So, let's see kung ano ito. Pero I'm still bullish sa gold on a long-term perspective. So, ang tinitignan kong possible resistance is, dapat mag-solid breakout siya dito sa 1815. And the support, I'm looking at yung immediate support, the around 1,800. So, yun. And of course, yung year-to-date high na 1818 na second resistance. So, watch out for it. At saka, Thursday na pala ngayon. So, pag Friday kasi as much as possible, naglo-close ako ng position. Kasi ayoko ng may financing charge for weekends. So, yun. Yun lang masasabi ko. So, nagre-risk off talaga ako. As much as possible, nagre-risk off ako ng Friday. Or hindi na lang ako nagre-trades ng Friday. So, yun lang guys ang masasabi ko kay gold. Ang tinitignan kong support around 1808. And of course, the resistance 11815 and the resistance to 1818. So, there you go for gold. Sa silver naman, it's actually year-to-date high. Yun, nakaride tayo. Ang TP ko kanina is I think 19.4. Yun. So, kita nyo naman, it's actually tuloy-tuloy siya. So, for silver, ang next possible resistance is the 19.5. Kapag lumusot pa siya doon is welcome back to 20.58. So, yun yung mga key resistance level I'm looking at. But on the, yan, medyo ano na siya eh. Medyo nasa overbought level na siya. So, watch out for possible pullback. So, nakikita kong immediate na ano, what's this? Na immediate na support around the $19. So, yun lang guys for kapag lumusot pa siya sa $19, of course, dito sa around $18.73. I think ang ginamit ko dito is the 3 hours. Yes, the 3 hours. So, yun. So, for oil naman, wala akong masyadong transaction sa oil ngayong araw. But, I think this is the 30 minutes na ginamit ko na time frame. Wait. It's not the 30 minutes. I think it's the daily. So, wait, check lang natin yung sa So, sa oil naman, kung makita nyo, it's actually a breakout, Kaso hindi pa siya may 1 hour pa bago mag-close. So, our next possible resistance for oil is actually dito na, sa around 48. Wow, so maganda pala siya. So, tingnan natin. Maybe possibly next week is maganda siyang i-trade para sa akin. So, ang immediate support natin is the around here, which is the around $40 immediate support. And kung mag-breakdown pa siya dyan sa $40 is welcome back to around $38. And of course, our next key resistance, the $48. So, let's see. So, check ko din yung to. Buy next or bukas. Seems like, yun, maganda yung trend niya. So, makita nyo, sabi ko nga, it's, kapag nag-trade ako, talaga is more on sa candlestick ako. So, depende sa time frame. So, next is Bitcoin. So, wala akong masyadong trades dito sa Bitcoin kasi ang pinasok ko is more on sa time-based futures. So, yung time-based futures ko is actually 6 months ending December. So, yun. Para at least hindi ako na-charge ng funding fee. So, yeah, kasi additional cost mo din kasi yun eh. Kung sakaling mali or depende sa funding rates. So, yun. Ayaw ko nang So, better dun ako sa time-based futures. So, yun. So, may mga trades pa din ako actually dito sa Bitcoin. And I'm actually long sa cryptocurrencies kasi naka-time-based futures naman siya eh. Kapag nababantayan ko siya, of course, I can trade or pwede akong mag-scalp. So, sabi ko nga, it's actually a symmetrical triangle. And, yun, kung makikita nyo, it's very key resistance dito sa level na to. So, yeah. Sa ngayon, let's see kung breakout siya around this level, which is daily to. Yeah, daily. So, around the 10,000 or actually around around the 9,900. So, that's the key resistance to break. Pero sa ngayon, syempre, on a daily, syempre hindi pa yon. Yung immediate niyang resistance is of course around this level. Sa around 995. And of course, support is this level, which is around the 9,000 area. So, watch out na lang kayo guys kasi kapag magkaroon ng sell-off, yun, posible siyang ganitong trend. So, yun. Kasi nga triangle siya eh. And usually kapag triangle is nagbe-breakout siya dito malapit sa apex. So, yun lang. But anyway, kung sakali mang bumagsak sa dito, it's actually a good buy para sa akin. Dito kasi hindi ako nakabili. Pero I think nakabili ako around here. March kasi ako yun. Basta hindi siya dito sa around 4,000. Basta medyo nakabili ako around this level, around the 5,000 to 6,000. So, spot yun hindi siya futures. So, yun yung for Bitcoin. So, on a long term, depende kung saan siya mag-breakout. So, sabi ko nga, posible yung around 27,000 kung mag-breakout siya dito, or kung ganito yung magiging pattern niya, sundan niya to, possible long-term targets around the 24,200. So, yeah, I think that's it, guys. And now, let's move on to Ethereum. So, sa Ethereum naman, actually maganda yung ano niya, attractive yung risk-reward nito over the long term. Pero sa short term, syempre, of course, it depends. So, currently, trading pala siya around near support, which is the, kasi ang key support na tinitignan ko is the 236. So, let's see. Kasi kapag mag-breakdown siya dyan, possible next is around this area, which is the 227 area. And of course, the resistance still at $248. So, check natin. It's actually going down. So, might possibly, tingnan natin kung mag-hold siya dyan. Kasi kapag nag-breakdown siya dito, yun, posible around 227. So, that's it for Ethereum and Litecoin. That's actually the last. Kung meron kayong request for when it comes to a global market, yeah, just feel free. Kasi ako kasi usually ito yung mga tinitingnan ko. So, for Litecoin, it's actually at support na din siya. Oh, so, kapag mag-breakdown siya dyan, posibleng balik siya around the 43 area. I mean, 40 area. Around the 40 area pala. Kasi currently trading siya around $43. And of course, immediate resistance na nakikita natin is this level, the 45, bago siya mag $48. So, I think that's it. On the RSI, pababa pa kasi siya eh. So, might possibly retest this $40. So, yeah, let's see within the next few days. So, yun, yung Apple, Netflix, and Facebook, sa ngayon kasi hindi ko pa siya trade, but actually, I'm looking at it. Sabi ko nga, favorite ko kasi is Nasdaq eh. So, pina-add ko siya sa exchange na pinag-trade-tradean ko. So, let's see kung ma-add nila to. So, kung ma-add nila, yeah, saka na lang natin siya titingnan. But if you look at it, kita mo naman, it's actually all-time high. Though nag-pullback siya today. So, nag-close na yung market ha. So, dahil dyan is, yeah, might possibly support na tinitingnan natin this very key area. Medyo 380. Kaso kasi earnings ngayon eh. So, yeah, careful na lang din when it comes to trading. So, resistance around that 400. Level 4. Nasa siya eh. Medyo nasa bought area na pala siya. So, yeah, might possibly correct. And, yeah, let's see. Kasi kung ako nito, antayin ko muna siya around this area. Medyo sa oversold. So, baka mag-correct tong si Apple. So, yeah, let's see. Ang tinitignan kong support around 380 to hanggang 351. So, sabi ko nga, hindi pa siya trade at the moment. So, possible resistance, of course, the all-time high, which is around 400. And then, Netflix. Ayun, Netflix. Kita nyo to. Ayun, no. Week. Gandang week eh. So, tingnan natin to. I think dahil dyan ay baka posibleng mag-retest around this area, around the 568. Uy, mas mahal na pala ang Netflix sa Apple. So, when it comes to price. So, yun. And of course, the support I'm looking at, the around $513. So, yeah, let's see. Check natin yung RSI. RSI, pababa pa siya. Pero kung makikita mo yung candle is actually pataas na. So, normally pag ako sabi ko nga, it's candlestick alone, I can trade. So, yun. Ewan ko bad candle lang, okay na. Parang mas okay kasi siyang i-trade sa akin na. Yun, tingin ko it's actually a possible hidden divergence. So, eto, paakyat na siya. Itong RSI is magaganon siya. Tingin ko lang. So, let's see. Basta, for Netflix support, I'm looking at the around 513 and the resistance, of course, the all-time high. And the last Facebook, halos mga tech, Yeah, kasi sabi ko nga, favorite ko yung Nasdaq eh. Pero, actually, kung makikita mo sa trade ko, it's actually gold yung halos lagi kong trade. So, paakyat naman siya. Medyo paakyat naman yung kanyang RSI at 55. So, medyo at lang siya. At 55, so pwede pang may possible upside pa to. Actually, yun. Tingnan natin, medyo ako dito eh. Medyo, siguro, antayin ko na lang muna siya. Di ako makapag-decide for, for Facebook. But then again, yeah. Kasi ang tinitignan kong resistance this area, depende kung saan dyan yung, saan mag-retest yung candle and the support area around this area. So, kasi tingnan mo yung trend, it's actually, yun. Nire-respect naman niya yung trend. Yun, dito. So, yeah, kung sakali mang mag-correct around this area, around the 221, or yeah, depende kung saan mag-land yung candle, and the resistance I'm looking at this area, around the 254. Depende rin kung saan mag-land yung candlestick dyan. So, yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. Kung meron kayong tanong, just feel free to reach out sa social media. Pwedeng mas active ako actually sa Telegram, sa Instagram group, and you can also join Twitter and of course Facebook. So, yun lang guys, and of course our last is our disclaimer. Of course, trading and investing have risks, so always trade with caution. Thanks guys.